Uh, we going? The freaking soundtrack is correct. The soundtrack is correct. Creator dashboard. I'm 10 minutes late. I'm 17 minutes late. It is what it is. What the hell's going on? How do we sound? Check, check, check. Hello, hello, hello. Ooh, it sounds kind of bad.
Voices, words.
Check, check.
Memory,
Revolution, salvation,
music,
until.
distance, time, unconscious, dream,
Hello, hello.
automatic, reality, numbers, words, secret, chance, infinite, destiny, destiny,
Destiny.
freedom, 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 freedom,
Let's just go with that. Okay, yo.
freedom, freedom, yes,
So,
freedom, dignity for all.
for today, I'm mostly... We're starting off a little different today. I feel like I want to get into the habit with these streams of just kind of like working on what I'm working on. So the last days that I've been able to get time to work on it, I've been working on... Is that a gray hair, bro? Come on. I've been working on a follow-up.
Distance.
If you've been paying attention to my Twitter, it's no secret, but I have been working on a follow-up to my smash hit blog post and project about the graphics card coolers from a couple years ago. So I have been working on redoing the PCB. Let me actually go hit a quick before and after. So I never got to the PCBA stage before, but the goal right now, I'm essentially porting or working on the circuit board that replaces this part. So we got, looks significantly different. It sits on the back of the cooler this time, but this is what I've been working on. So the particular thing that I'm running into is importing. It's very open source software, but it's just the interaction between SolidWorks exported part models and imported KiCad drawings. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Essentially, I have this drawing. This is the let's go find what this thing looks like. This guy. So we're working off of this drawing, trying to translate it into CAD. So I have a model, but the problem that was happening that I just figured out is that you can't use, there's no documentation about this, or if there is, it's buried. You can't use multi-body step files when you go to import your models back into KiCad. You can if you only want to use the 3D viewer, but you can't use multi-body step files if you want to then export your design as a step file. So what keeps happening, and I can show this. So let's try to import one of okay, so this is my latest one. So I'll show you what happens. So we're going to go back into SolidWorks, File, Open. We're going to go to this thing. And it's already going to crash my shit. Alright, so looks pretty similar, right? Except for what the hell is this cluster of crap in the middle here? And then these connectors are offset by a lot. So if we transition over here, you see the connectors are inset onto the board. But then if you go look in SolidWorks, back in the import, one of the pins is missing. One of the pins is in the right place. Anyways, so what I'm going to go do is for all of the footprints that are multi-bodied, I'm going to go through one by one and convert them to SolidWorks documents, and then combine them into one part, and then convert them into step files. So this is going to be a little bit annoying. So if you got questions, etc., want to say what's up, chat me up. So there's going to be some menial work for the first part of this stream. But then I'm going to get back into the rack air intake project. We're going to work on the rack air exhaust, so venting hot air out of the rack. We got the exclamation sign context if you're trying to see what's going on with that project. But yeah, so today is more of a checking in on a couple of in-flight projects, seeing what's up, and chatting, hopefully. Alright, so what is the best way to do this? So we have these parts that we need to convert to SolidWorks and then export back as step files. So I'm gonna go make folders. This is also some pretty serious VM gymnastics. I have to come up with a better way. So if you don't know, I do all of my different types of software. So like KiCad, for example, I have a dedicated VM for on a hypervisor. It is a big fun server, but I use on my main machine is where I run SolidWorks. So like interacting between the two, this is the kind of thing like where I just have to have a bunch of stuff open to I have to have a bunch of parts open to be able to, or a bunch of windows open to be able to like get all the files back and forth. So it's not that big of a deal. It's just slightly annoying. It's definitely hard to broadcast though. So now I'm copying the files, the step files from KiCad into my Windows box. So now let's start opening these. Do file open. I'm super duper interested in virtualizing SolidWorks also on the hypervisor. Literally the only reason I don't do it now is because I just can't figure out how to make the okay, wait, this is fine. We have to actually I shouldn't have closed it. So we can actually go part by part. Basically just for any of the pieces that don't cleanly re-import into SolidWorks, we need to fix. So there's some presumably that are external parts that I brought into my design that can cleanly import because it looks like this is a single part. So we can open, yeah, okay, see this, the USB port looks fine, so we don't actually have to touch that, which is a W. This thing we're gonna have to open though. The connector. Yeah, anyways, I'd like to eventually, I've tried, it's not for lack of trying. I've tried to virtualize, yeah, okay, see what I'm talking about here? So it's a bazillion parts. So it's an assembly. So insert, insert, how is the best way to do this? Join? Combine? Probably it is create a new part. I hate the new part dialog. Yeah. In place, no. Front plane to front plane. Coincident. Top plane to top plane. Coincident. Right plane to right plane. Coincident. Okay, so now we're gonna rename this. We're going to so now this is going to be I think this thing is fully defined now. So, okay, we're going to do edit, insert, features, join. Okay, let's see if this works. So we're going to just select surface contact. Okay. Now we have this thing. Which would seem to be one part. So then let's export this. File, save as copy. New folder, step, export. Step E1. Okay. So this is exported. So now let's try to bring this into KiCad. Oops. Okay. So now we have this guy. So I have to go to my footprint editor. I have to find it's this thing. I have to edit. So we're gonna trash this existing model. Okay. Good sign that the color is fucked up. Because that means it doesn't have any of the model detail from SolidWorks. So we're gonna offset this a little bit. Actually, 0.5 millimeter. It looks pretty good. Alright, I'm calling that good. That's a now. Save this. Exit the footprint editor. Now I have to go back into PCB editor. And I have to... The parts are on the back of the board. Bro, I must seem so fucking smart right now. I'm whipping around. But the only reason is that I've been suffering through figuring this out for a few hours now. Okay, see, this is wrong. So we have to go and we have to edit these parts. General, update footprint from library, update, boom. Okay, these two updated. So theoretically, at least these two should be like blue now. Okay, nice. Alright, so let's try exporting. Let's prove the concept out before we do the rest of these, because it worked once, but I just want to double check. So we're gonna export this as a step again. Step export. Okay, that's exported. So we're gonna try opening this in SolidWorks. Okay. Parsing file, blah, blah, blah. Oh. Okay, so that worked. So this is the process, which is annoying, but it's annoying. I need my soundboard. I need the soundboard to punctuate this moment. It's annoying, but it's open source, bros. KiCad's allowed to be a little bit rough around the edges. Okay? It's allowed. Because it's $0, bros. Alright, cool. So we gotta go do all them other ones now. Alright, so the next one, let's do this. Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna do it. See, this didn't have like a sub part. So I'm just gonna decide to do it. I am just going to decide to do it in whatever the top level assembly is. So this thing is going to be called... Yes, it's okay to replace. Dash joined. Go back into the assembly. So now it's over here. So let's fix it into place. Both are fully defined. This guy, we got a float. So I didn't draw this. I got this from Snap EDA or something like this. Let's do the join again. So that's another beggars can't be choosers thing. I'm happy. Ooh, question mark. Why question mark? What? I guess it doesn't like that. Whatever. It doesn't really matter. Perfect is the enemy of the good. So I guess it doesn't like that there's a top level assembly here. Yeah, whatever. The question mark means something is unresolved. So now let's export this. Okie dokie. Now we can bring this into KiCad. Actually, let's just keep working through these. I called it folder step export before. Okay, let's just keep it pushing. So got this guy next, Skirt Latella. Oh, I shouldn't have. Alright, this is a button. It's actually kind of a cool model. This didn't have an internal thing. View parts. Float. Open. Alright. So this guy's gonna be save as. Okay, edit. Oh wait, no, it's not fixed yet. So let's do front to front. Yes. Top to top. Yes, right to right. Really no rhyme or reason to these three mates. I'm just gonna do them in every part so it's not moving around. And I think technically the join would update if the insert features join. I think the join would update if the underlying part like moved around. Would result in 0 thickness geometry. Dang. Okay. Those guys work. Is it... Who does it not like? Hmm. What if we do 2 joins? Whoa. Insert features join. What if we do not you, not you, not you, you, you? What is this? 2. Nope, not this. No. Yes. Oh, I fucked it. The big ones. This is everything but that middle piece. Nice. Okay, solid bodies. Can't have that. So we can do, for this thing, insert, features, combine, add, and we can select all of these. Can I also do this? No. Enable this. Create a single body. Bleh. Insert features join. So we'll do this thing and this thing. Dude. Ugh, okay. If I didn't include this, it would probably be okay. Is it because where is the one? This is the one. Okay, how am I gonna do this? So if we do insert features Let's do insert. Okay, let's edit this. I think I can do a thing that's just like import, insert, features, copy. I won't do that. Insert, features, join. Unable to create this feature because it creates zero thickness. Okay. So it's got a problem with this part. So let's open this thing up. What is your problem, bruh? Import diagnostics. Insert. Features. If I just fucking put a hole in it. Okay, that worked. What's the zero thickness? What's the zero thickness thing you're talking about? What if I do insert features? What if I scale it? Now it's slightly smaller. Okay, so no. Let's try adding it to the join now. Oh, it worked! Sweet. Alright, so now we have this thing. Now we have to do insert, features, combine. I have a feeling this is not going to work. Unable to create a single body that is the sum of the other bodies. We're going to just modify this a little bit. This is kind of cheating. But hey, that's fine. Let's try to do insert, features, combine, add. Oh, nice. Okay, so now we have these two. And I'll do some more cheating. We will just... Yeah, this is sketchy as fuck, but it's fine. It's really only for fit testing. I'm not going to be doing anything that matters yet with this model. I want this guy, and then we're gonna do okay, so now we're gonna do, yeah, these guys are touching now, so we're gonna do this, insert, features, combine. Oh yeah, dude. Okay, it's a little sketch, but it honestly looks a little better than I was expecting it would. So we can now create our export file, save as, copy and continue, step export, STL. Okay, nice. So now on to the next. This is a boost converter. This is a boost converter. Insert components. Right plane. Okay. Open this thing. Is this gonna cause as much problems as the previous one did? Let's find out. Insert, features, join. Whoa. What? Weird. The force surface contact thing made it huge. Whatever. I should probably model in the hole. So where are you, Mr. Hole? There. Okay. So we're just gonna we're gonna edit this part, and we're gonna do just a sketch on this surface. Just going to extrude cut this. Just to make sure we're not crazy. Cool. Okay, nice. Easy. That one was way easier. So let's open this. Here's our joined part. A single body. File. Save as. Do new folder. Step export. V1. Okay. Next, we have... already did that one. We have the last one. Alright, this was not that bad. How long has it been? 50 minutes? This one is one I can't believe there wasn't a model for this in KiCad already. They can, though. It's free software. It's a miracle any of it exists. Part. Put it here. Float. Front to front. Okay, so now edit part, insert features. The only thing we can add is the join. Bang, 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 bang. We're gonna do the same thing with the circle. We're going to edit you, draw here, boom. Extrude cut 1.1 millimeters. Just to have something. The multi-body parts don't work. Dude, that was the fastest one. Yeah, that took fucking no time. Okay. So now, open this thing up. Step export on. Oh wait, no, that was supposed to be STL file. That was supposed to be step. Okay. Now we can bring these back into KiCad. Where the browser for FileZilla is being very slow. Oh, I did STL for this one. Whoops. For this guy. Save as. Now. Oh, I did the same fucking thing, dude. I was getting sloppy with these exports. Ugh. Save as. Named it the wrong thing, too. I guess I'm moving pretty quick. Okay. Got everything over here now. So now I have to figure out... This is actually not going to be that hard because there's not that many parts in my library. But I have to go through the custom library I have set up for this board. So not this. This, I believe this one is done. This one is not done. So this is the JST ZH. So delete you. Component 3D models. This is the this guy. Oh no. Okay, yeah, that looks like the right colors. Nice. Save that. Next we got this one. Trash this, add a new. Open. Oh, this looks wrong. This looks right. Fucking bellissimo, perfect. It's like a little bug, dude. It's like a little bug. Alright, the switch. Who gave me the most problems? It's fine. And then this one. The boost converter. Be gone. I'm fine with the lack of color. Okay, so now this is all great. So I can I do update footprints? Is there a KiCad? Doesn't look like it. Alright, so huh? Okay, so I did actually bulk update the thing. So let's run DRC. Okay, the hole clearance is fine. With comment. This is all whole pad. Nice. Okay, so these are all fine. But explaining what this board, what's going on with this board would take quite a while. Essentially, it is a 3-channel precision fan driver that has a boost converter to be able to push the fans up to their rated limits instead of just a 12 volts. And it has a bunch of other stuff going on. But it's a sick thing that has a bazillion fucking components on it. Okay, cool. Oh wait, what's this last error? Can't figure out what. I don't know how to make this happy. Doesn't like any of these. Okay, whatever. This is not important. Can't figure out how to make those violations go away. Alright, so let's try to export this back into SolidWorks. I'm going to call it 001. Let's go. This is not relevant. Basically, oh wait, crap. The USB port, I deleted it. Anybody missing? Oh, okay, cool. Alright, so let's bring Let's get back into SolidWorks and see if this thing opens cleanly. Open. Desktop. It's on my desktop because I'm a savage. What do we think? I think it's gonna work. What are you unhappy about? Okay, this pretty much worked. I don't really know what's up with the import diagnostics things that sometimes you run into. Typically, if I can't do the auto heal thing, I just give up on the part if I'm like downloading the model from somewhere. Okay, so we're kind of chilling. This is just a surface. We're gonna try to heal the gaps. Okay. Yeah, so I don't need this model to be totally perfect. I just want to be able to slice and 3D print it, if I'm being honest. So I'm just going through these and seeing if the auto healer thing can do its job. But I don't really super duper care if it can't. That makes sense. So that didn't work. It's fine though. Oh, it kind of did. Failed to save document. Okay. The fuck does that mean? Alright, let's just not save this. Let's save everything else though, and let's file, save all. Save this. Okay, now let's close all of this. Window manager. Close, close, save all. Close. Now let's. Now this thing's closed. Mechanical. Alright, I'm sorry, I'm getting myself organized. Okay. So now we can try to open this thing for real. And get to slicing. Alright, I have to re-heal these, which is fine. Import diagnostics. Temp to heal all. Okay, so just again going through and seeing if there's any low-hanging fruit that we can fix with the auto heal tool. I think this is like for impossibilities in the model. Yeah, this one is not that happy. Yeah. Okay, so that is what we're gonna get, which is fine. Okay, let me, we're gonna get a little bit crazy. So, you saw the blog post, you'll maybe recognize this, but this is the cooler on insert. Nice. So this was the template for the PCB, and then here is the actual PCB. So what we'll do is we'll mate this. It is the wrong way. Step. Okay. Damn, bros. Holy fuck, this thing looks nuts. This connector is a little close. That connector is a little close. Oh. Hell is all of this? Ooh. This is 3. It is going to make my computer shit. Yeah, man. I don't know about that connector, but damn, I'm glad I checked this. The USB placement is also kind of ass. Alright, well... even though I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be happy with this, I'm going to try printing it anyways. Alright, so we'll take one of these.
The people come together. It makes it feel good. Ain't no fighting, no destroying.
I'm gonna do the same thing that we just did. New part. Float. Top. Top. Front. Front. Right. Right. So we're gonna call this thing assembly number 21 of the night. That's a lot of assemblies. This is that same joined thing. So this is going to be define Alright, so now edit this. Insert features. Join. Time to click. Yeah, that's what I thought. So that's not gonna work. So what we can do, we can take this and we can file, save as an STL directly. Save all components as a single file. Okay. So we have our thing. We're gonna do add modifier. No. Split to objects. No, what? Oh. Cut, that's what I'm looking for. Need a little bit of solid. That'll work. Perform cut. Yes. Repairing by the Windows repair algorithm. I don't know what that is. Yeah, this thing's gonna shit its pants. It's a big model. Pairing was canceled. Whoa. All right. Will this slice? It will. Ultra detail. Six hours. All right, I'll run this overnight. All right. This is where we wanted to get. I think that I'm probably going to have to do some more work tomorrow on this. Motherfucking fresh fish sandwich in the building, dude. What's up, dude? We got. Look at the. Stop, big bull gone. That is 1 minute for some reason. We got kind of got problems. These are for the temperature sensors, these two connectors back here. And it looks like they will hit this bolt. Which is why we do CAD before we order expensive stuff. But sad face. I can probably make it work. I'll probably move over here somewhere. Maybe in between these two. But I'm not going to do that now. That's kind of complicated. Actually, maybe I will do it now. I don't know. I have to pee, though. I have to take a pee break. So, BRB. Holy crap. What a beautiful toilet time. Alright, so I decided I'm just going to throw this on the printer because it looks like it's going to interact with this bolt. But I want to see it. And it looks like this USB thing over here is going to be a problem. But again, I want to see it. So I'm going to print 2 of these. And this is going to take a shitload of time. $13 That's not that bad. Printer cam is down. Mostly because it's held on by magnets and it keeps getting ripped off violently. And I don't want to break the camera. So I have resolved to just wait on that until I can repair it. Alright, well, instead of watching that progress bar, let's do a reset. Let's save our work in KiCad. Learned that exported models from KiCad step files need to only contain single body step parts. Used SolidWorks to convert multi-body imported parts to single body step files and replaced in the model. Alright, sweet. Sweet. It's gong time. Motherfuckers. Alright. Let's work on the air intake situation. We're switching gears crazy, bro. I need a record scratch sound effect. Yeah, the print's getting along just fine. Okay, so So last stream we were working on a cable management piece for the rack. Where is that file? Rack intake cable management? No. Details, date modified. Okay, there it is, but what is it called? It's this thing. We're working on this thing. So I printed one of these, or printed part of one of these after the broadcast and didn't love it, and I'm going to tell you why. So this little lip thing is designed to prevent this guy from rotating. It's supposed to like bear, I guess, cam? No. This curve is concentric with this curve in the part, and that's supposed to keep it from rotating. That, in practice, doesn't work too well. And then I was thinking, why don't I just go further this way? I'll show you what I mean. So yeah, this sketch here is like what? Like, why don't I just do this? Let me show you. I'm just gonna do it. Why isn't it letting me type? It's because I'm in another window. Okay. So we can also do something like this. Let me drag the endpoint. Something like this. So like go further around the corner. Yeah, so let's see if this works. It mostly works. Yeah, bang. Easy. That was the first thing I wanted to fix. Let's well define that. What is referencing this? Alright, so I'm now thinking maybe the reason I didn't do that was because it won't fit. So let's go find the big ass model. Ah, okay. So you can... you see what I'm seeing? Oh no, you fucking totally can. What the fuck? Alright, cool. So, that pretty much... finishes off that part. Part of me is like, what if we did the little... circular thing over there? I'd be mad if I... did more. Probably not. So... yeah, do a 3-step spline instead. No, it should be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why does it really not want me to... drag this? Why is it not letting me drag? Do I have to restart SolidWorks real quick? I'll fucking do it. Drag this. I don't know why it doesn't want me to do this. I'm gonna restart SolidWorks real quick because this is a bug. I would normally cut to SolidWorks or to the printer, but that shit doesn't have a camera. Okay, there we go. Maybe it'll let me drag now. One, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we just can't drag. Fucking goddamn it.
dust, it goes on and on. Before daybreak there were none, and as it broke there was one, and still the story goes on and on.
Okay. Maybe I want... Why am I unhappy with the way this looks? Maybe I want concentricity here. I'm way happier with that. Alright, that looks pretty good. Let's see how it looks. Nice. Alright, printer is ripping. And I'm consuming a lot of energy right now. Okay, this looks good. Alright, I'm happy with this. Where's the mirrored one? This doesn't update? Yeah, I guess it doesn't update. Blame. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to do, actually, let's maybe slice this. Damn. The last time I exported this model, the first one, was a year ago. That sucks. Let's not slice this. I'm pretty sure this will work. Alright, so... Sorry I'm jumping all over the place, chat. Where is negative?
Failure.
It's a busy zone. Ouch, yeah. Making some stuff happen. If I run this again? Oh, nice. Okay. If I just rebuild the feature, it works. Of course. Yeah, I'm busy out here. Working on a lot of stuff. Taking clocks, etc., etc., and so on. Alright, so I want to work on the exhaust next.
Oh yeah. One more time.
Exhaust fan. Okay. So the reason I want to work on the exhaust fans never did a test fit of this, I don't think. I never put the holes on. So the next frontier of this is, we went over this a little bit last time. Best viewers. I don't know how I ban you.
Celebrate. Don't wait too late.
Can I do this?
No, we don't stop.
Ooh.
You can't stop. We're gonna celebrate.
I can ban you.
One more time.
Okay.
One more time.
So this is the next frontier of this.
A celebration.
Rack's gonna go over here.
Do it right tonight. Hey, just feel it. Music's got me feeling the need. Yeah. Come on. All right. We're gonna celebrate.
Rack's gonna go over here.
Time.
3D printers
Free.
are gonna be vaguely over here.
Free.
And we're gonna be ducting all of the hot air from everything out of the studio.
One more.
So
Got me feeling
I gotta kind of think about how to do that.
free and dance so free. One more time. Music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate. Celebrate and dance so free. One more time. Music's got me feeling so free. We're
So I'm thinking
celebrate and dance so free. One more time. Music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate. Celebrate and dance so free. One more
something comes
free. We're gonna
up and out of this way,
celebrate.
but there's also like tubing that could go down the other way. I have, last time we went over this, but 4-inch ducts should do the job. Although, let's actually see what that looks like. Part of me's like, I should try to do 4 inches.
One more time. Got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate. Celebrate and dance so free. One more time. This got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate. Celebrate and dance so free. One more time. This got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate. Celebrate and dance so free. One more time. This got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate. Celebrate and dance so free.
Fake duct. Oh! SolidWorks crash. Epic. Damn, not even an error. Am I out of memory? I might have been out of RAM. Ooh, that is weird. Has a weird name. Okay, so this is what the 4-inch duct looks like. Seems pretty much right. So basically, the bigger the ducting, I think I'm gonna do 4-inch ducting. But if I do it bigger, I can probably go with lower fan speed. We could ask ChatGPT. You guys want to ask ChatGPT? Introducing ChatGPT. I am designing a rudimentary HVAC system. This is going to use a simple ducted fan, pull air out of a server rack, a pair of 3D printers, and a soldering station, and potentially a laser cutter. The run of the duct is less than 3 meters in total. It is inside a small shop. The fan is... Let's see what the fan is rated for. Broadcast notes. What is this thing called? Silent inline duct fan. I am looking at using a fan. Should I go with 4-inch or 6-inch duct? I'm thinking about using the type used for dryer exhaust etc. Alright, what do we think? What? Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, there we go. Ooh. Okay. 6-inch duct it is. I don't know how good ChatGPT is at this kind of thing. That's fucking big though, bro. I'm conflicted. Because that kind of means that I have to have 6 inches of headroom above the printers. Let's do that. Let's go like, I mean, at least. So let's do computer's starting to shit again. CPU is at 100%. That is crazy. Oh, we starting to die. Oh, we got technical problems right now. Check 1, 2. Oh, I'm back. Try to close some stuff here. Alright, holy crap. I was sucking some power. Or am? Can't really tell. Firefox is taking up 74%. Wow. Good to know. All right. ChatGPT has said the 6-inch duct is the way to go. Should we though? Should we listen to the robot overlord? I know bigger equals quieter. We have to kind of do some more shopping here. Sound. Sound observing. Around ventilation pipes. Yeah. You can kind of get this for pretty cheap. Yeah, I think 6-inch is the way to go. But let's try some stuff. So if we make this a 7-inch gap. It's actually not that crazy. How well would the fake duct fit on the printer is another question we should ask. So I'm gonna save this. Ah, okay. Okay, so it'll fit. I got it open in Prusa Slicer. We can work with this. Alright, so 6-inch ducts it is.
What's going on? Could this be my understanding? It's not your fault, I was being too demanding. I must admit, it's my pride that made me distant. All because I hope that you'd be someone different. There's not much I know about you.
Alright, so
Make you blind.
first thing we need to do is make
Isn't clear view. It's amazing what
an adapter. We gotta do a couple things first. We got to add those freaking holes. Where does this come from?
I turned away, cause I thought you were the problem. Tried to forget until I hit the bottom. But when I faced you in my blank confusion, I realized you weren't wrong, it was a mere illusion. It really didn't make sense just to leave this unresolved. It's not hard to go the distance.
Okay, so
Face to face.
I'll probably do 2 of these in here. I won't plumb them both into the duct. I'm gonna leave, so like with the rack, these 2 holes will be just venting into the room, and then I'll probably do some sort of a way to seal that up for the warm months.
It really didn't make sense just to leave this unresolved.
And then this one, these 2 will be ducted.
When you finally get involved,
I think that makes sense. Alright, so let's get to this, the point where we can mirror it to work on the other one at the same time. So need to put those holes in. Probably here. Ooh, I'm gonna have to use M4s here. How big is that fan? How big are these holes? M4.5. I'm gonna check this. Let me go get the fan. Fan is here. We got M4 stuff. M4 is pretty happy in there. Would M3 work though? Actually, let's just use M4. I got it. And I'm not fucking using it. Lord knows I'm not using it. I gotta eat plastic ones. Go get some nuts. Found the nuts. I got M4.5s. Yeah, so we can use M4 hardware for this piece. No problemo. Okay, so if we can, it would be good to be able to add a fill it at this point. Nice. So let's actually move this sketch plane to here. So we're gonna do nut pockets here. It doesn't really make sense to do that here. We can just create another plane. So what I'll do here, okay. Can I crank this up even more? Probably not. Yeah, no. Yep. See if I can find this M4 bolt. Trick M4, and it was X nut, bin, was steel, zinc plated steel. That's definitely it. Alright, I'm going to bring this into the CAD. Also have to get the nuts. M4. Socket. Actually, no. Metric M4 it's the cheese head, which is very funny. It's 25 millimeters. Slotted, yes. Cheese. guy. This is the guy. This is what I got. Bring this over as well. Okay, so evaluate, measure, bang, bang, 25, so 7 millimeters. What? Is that it? Just looked at it. That is it. Right? Yes. Okay. Alright, so then we do a straight extrusion for the thickness. 2.2 millimeters. Okay, then we do up to next. Ooh, man. Up to surface. And so maybe we dial this back a little bit. Let us cut this out cleaner. Nice. So then we add the hole for the bolts up to next. Okay, then we can do a sketch pattern of that whole, both of those pieces. I've done this. What the fuck? I was at orange. I have done this so many times for this string of projects. Insert features, insert sketch driven pattern. Nice. Oops. Okay, so now we got that in there. Let's do exhaust duct fan. We add the hardware here. I'm gonna do it.
Man, I'm gutted. There's no atmosphere here.
Yeah, right. What is she mixing?
And look, no one's dancing.
You're right. So you want to go back to mine?
Yeah, I've given up hope on this place.
Actually, no. We should do a new part. So new assembly. This is going to be the exhaust duct. This is going to be duct, fan, hardware. And this is going to have configurations. That first one is not going to have configurations. It's just going to be to define the part. Configurations are like different modes you can put your drawing into. So one of the modes is going to have everything mirrored, or the plastic, the printed piece mirrored. Is we have to have the duct mirrored to fit both pieces, or to fit two of them inside of the rack. That's fitted, so we can do the nuts. Why can I not, like, select... What is this? Why can't I, like, select... Is this wrong?
Salvation might be on the floor. Wake the dancer in you. Dance, dance, dance.
This is wrong. We gotta get back into this part. There should be a straight part inside of this cut. I opened the nut. Exhaust duct. Okay, so let's get back into this, shall we? First cut is straight. That makes sense.
And now, the eternal dance.
Why is this not resulting in the flat that I'm expecting? This is weird. So this first cut, this should have... This should be leaving a wall. This should be leaving a straight. Is this just not... Is this not lofted? This is not lofted. This is why. That's why. So now this should have a straight wall, which it does. Nice. Okay. Yep, there we go. Nice. Okay, I am going to be able to get my fingers in there. That is not a problem. So we got one. Let's do the other four. Other three. Alright, so I am a little bit worried about the bolts bottoming out against the inside of the wall with M4s. I just don't have, I have like every M3 size under the sun, so it's not that big of a deal because I can just always pick another one. What I do have though for M4, I have plastic, I have nylon bolts. So shit, I need to do some surgery to make this fit. That's fine, but let's first try... Let's first try the 25 mils. I think it should be okay. Could also just make... Oh yeah, we're fucking chilling, boys. All right, boom. That'll definitely work. Holding that in place like that. I think the next thing to do. Think about the piece that I'm avoiding, which is how do you essentially mate this thing to you could use TPU. You could use TPU, and I think that's probably what I'll do. I'm gonna first replace this with this one. Oh, not concentric, eh? Okay, psych, I need the other one back. How did that work? How did this work? Concentric and parallel. Yep. Nice. Okay, so let's think about this for a sec. So if we do like a TPU, like a donut. I guess it doesn't necessarily need to be TPU. But we're probably going to want something that's like squishy to try to make that seal happen. Ooh, I'm hitting the wall, boys. I think this might be it. 3 hours, 20 minutes. I'm hitting it, y'all. Thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your night wherever you are. I'll see you next Tuesday. Peace.